Uh, for democracy.
I gotta do the email, so I can't do it.
You just got it's like left, like you know the D-pad, like left, the left arrow on the D-pad. Hold that.
Oh, that's chat.
The left D-pad arrow. Oh God. You gotta die.
I died. Out of all, bro. Out of everybody, I died.
Yes, you die because the fire tornado burns you alive. Okay. Now
I know,
get
though, like,
into the
hard right
chopper.
on top of us.
Get into the chopper.
You pushed this in there.
Oh, just get
I'm blocked
in,
up by the freaking fire, bro.
bro. Get in the plane.
I can't because I'm blocked up by the damn fire.
You have no seconds left. You're gone. I'm sorry. You're getting left.
What type of cannon crap is that?
Another sweeping victory for Super.
That was like the longest damn 30 seconds I ever had.
This game is peak.
It would be a threat so bad.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna need you to reinforce him. I think I accidentally stepped on him. I am so sorry.
I'm sorry. I told you be careful with that mix.
I was. He's backed up into me. Oh, is that it? All right. Well, I
I'm not
guess.
gonna lie, Will.
Huh?
Jane question, Will.
Dropping a pin.
What?
Far.
What do you think the terminus will taste like?
Cockroaches.
I just thought, man, they taste like crab legs or something like that.
Well, maybe a little bit of both, honestly.
Alright. Seasoning.
Hello, I'm here to take your oil. Where is the oil? Please comply. Where is your oil? What was that grunt?
I got like nip a little.
Where is your oil? Show me your oil. Alright.
Northwest.
I thought we would have some caves. Where are the caves?
What the update?
Where's the caves?
Why are they playing this Jaws music while we in the water? I'm getting nervous.
Oh, there was like a giant worm too that's on the update.
Oh, okay. Had to be a worm. One of my vocals.
Yes, I am a true patriot. I am not a true patriot.
Dude.
I am a true patriot. These nests. Like, this is their home planet, but they don't belong here.
That sounds like racist.
This is their home, but they don't belong here. They just got out my galaxy.
That's like going to Africa and saying, this is where they came from. Say that home.
It's a ticket now. Extract the resources.
I hope you joking about the giant worm, man.
I'm not. Oh, there's also flying roaches. Oh, somebody destroyed the outpost. Yeah, but now we're in the caves. We're cave divers. Please die. Please die. Please die.
Another step towards galactic liberation. You may extract when ready.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
All right. Well, actually, we have
300 meters.
we have one more little hive. We got one more little outpost, little nest, little breathing cave that they're gonna make more of. We can't let that happen.
Hey, are we the good?
This is Helldivers 2. We are literally at their planet to extract their oil out of their bodies. We are not the good guys. We are the amazing guys. We are the heroes. What are you on about? Oh, oh, oh! They took me out. They put their claws into me.
Who named a weapon Liberator Penetrator?
Yes, my weapon is literally named the Liberator Penetrator, bro.
I cannot take anyone seriously with that weapon.
Oh, you gonna take it seriously when it penetrates you.
Oh, okay. I don't think we're talking about bullets right now.
I'm talking about this bullet. When it penetrates you, you gonna take it seriously.
It's my machine. Well, like sometimes I think you just like.
It was not on purpose. It was an accidental stepping on.
At the last second too. Come on now.
Oh god, oh god. Get in!
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
How did we not die? So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to suicide mission, alright?
What you say?
Alright, we're going to extract E7 1-1. Some of that good old oil. Oh, y'all ready?
Mission coordinates locked.
Dang.
Hellpods prime. Engaging orbital thrusters.
Suicide mission.
We shall overcome.
Orbit synchronized.
Alright, which objective? Yeah, y'all vote. Which objective we going to? Alright, this one? Oh, yeah, we're going to the caves. We're being cave divers, huh? Ow. Face? You face a Hive Lord? What are you? Oh my god! What is that? Oh no! 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 Oh god! What is this game? You Liberty guy. Oh, I hear a screaming. This is terrible. This is terrible. Oh, he's back. He's back. No.
Don't spawn me on top of him. What the?
No. Save back from me. Are we supposed to fight this thing?
Oh, he's so dirty.
Are we supposed to fight this thing? Help me, Jesus. Lady Democracy, help me. Lady Democracy, help me. None of my training prepared me for such. I don't even have any stratagems to throw at this thing. Oh my god. Help. Somebody help. No, this game is actually peak. Actually peak. This game is actually peak. Oh my god. Hey, yo. Yo, reinforce. Oh my big mama jam. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Oh. Oh. Sweet Liberty. Sweet Liberty. They're invisible. Please. Ah. Ah. Yo,
Scared.
what is this thing? Help me! A rupture charger.
Oh, my bad.
They're evolving. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to do our objectives.
No.
Yeah, I don't think we're doing our objective, huh? That ain't happening. That ain't happening anytime soon. I should have brought some stratagems. I should have brought the stratagems.
Should have brought the orbital strike and knows the man.
I should have brought the 500-kilogram bomb. This thing is too big. It's too big. We need the full might of liberty. Yeah, next time we're bringing the stratagems. We're bringing the stratagems. Oh, God. Alright, where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, I can actually hurt it. I'm actually doing damage. It got tentacles? It has tentacles.
Right inside the map. What the hell?
It knows I'm doing damage. It's bringing out the tentacles.
It's getting scared.
I'm out of ammo.
I'm out on everything.
My emancipator's out of ammo. It's not looking too good. Oh my good. Where is it? Where? There it is. I feel like we're doing some damage. We may not be doing any damage. This is our last reinforce. Oh, it's big, it's gross. I didn't know this update was moving like this. I didn't know this update was like this. Oh God. Stop your breast tank, please. Please. Oh, sure. This will certainly protect me. You can't hurt me. I'm in my shield generator. I'm safe. You can't.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You can't hurt me. Oh God, he has me in his mouth. Oh. Yo. Yo. I hope you know I've been recording. This is some great content. This is some great content.